Hello, everyone, and thank you for coming to eminipicks.com. Today, instead of putting a picture up on the web on the blog of our trading day, we had a really good day. So I thought I would create a quick video and show you exactly what we do here at eminipicks.com. It was textbook today. You're looking at the chart of the Emini S&P's 3,000 tick par chart. And basically we had some signals today. I'll go ahead and point them out. We had right here, the initial one. It's at the beginning of trading day. We don't take that one. We had a signal here. We had a signal here, and a signal here. And I'll tell you which ones signaled and triggered and which ones we didn't. We also did take a trade today that was right up here that didn't have a signal, but there was some other information that we look at that was prevalent, and we thought we would take the trade, and it was very profitable. We'll start over here on the left side. This one here, we got the short signal here. It did trigger. We got the signal on this bar here. We triggered on this bar, and as you can tell, another informational source that told us this was a good trade was, look at this peak here and this peak here. If you notice, this is a higher peak, higher high. This, if you look here, is a lower high, meaning there wasn't any more buying pressure. The selling pressure came in somewhere around here. We took this down for 2 points here, and it also played along. We would have stayed in longer, but we thought with this support level here that it might just rebound and take us out. So we just played it safe, and we got our 2 points, and we were good for that one. We went all through the morning. Right before when we stopped trading for lunch, we only, as you know, we only trade from 8:30 to about 11, and then come back at about 1300 around right here and start trading. But this opportunity came up. We got a signal. It's about 10 minutes to 11 here, signal bar. It was right on the pivot of the day, and it was a great reversal position. So we looked. It was 10 minutes in, and we said we might as well just take it, and it actually worked out. It did trigger. It triggered on this bar right here. We did take a little bit of heat, not too much. We did take a little bit of heat coming up and trying to retest that pivot resistance, and it went down, and we did get our 2.5 points on this one. So that was another good trade. This one here did not take. It signaled, and it would have triggered. It triggered. It would have gone for a loss, but like I said, if you know our rules, we don't trade during these lunch doldrums here. This one here, we did not get a signal. I saw the setup coming up. This bar here, notice it made the peak. It did break through the resistance. It came up here. One of the things that caught my eye was, if you see right here, this bar here, if you look down here, this peak, and then this bar here created this peak. And notice this isn't a lagging indicator. This second peak is already created at the end of that top bar. It was a lower high. This was a higher high going that way, and this was a lower high going down. You could barely tell, but it is. So you had significant divergence in our volume breakdown indicator, which I like to look for divergence, and it's sort of a leading indicator, if you will, that the demand is no longer there on a long, and the supply starting to come in. So that was a great indicator for us. It did come down here. Still wasn't sure. Wanted to see what the market was going to do. It was going to just try to retest this here and then break out to the top. We did get an inside bar right here. I do like trading inside bars as price action. Once I saw that, got in one tick underneath that and just wrote it down, and we did our 2.5 points on that one too. Some people, I was a little more aggressive with this. Some people would not take this trade. The stop was this bar. The low was 20.50. The high was 21.75. So it's about a handle and a quarter. My stop was right above this inside bar here. I took above, so it wasn't that much heat to take. It actually didn't take any heat at all, and it shut down. I figured it's gonna come here, retest, shoots back up. I'll be out. I had two good trades already, so it wasn't really that much of a big deal to me. I did take it. It was profitable. The confluence of information from my volume breakdown indicator, the low volume on this move up here gave me an indication that that wasn't going to be a follow through. That was a lot of the Joes trading there, not a lot of institutional buyers there. So that's why we took the trade over profitable. This was too late in the day. It was at 1500, so we didn't jump in because we're flat at the end of the day. So those were our three trades right here for a short, right here for a short, and right here for a short. Very profitable day. 2 here, 2.5 here, and 2.5 here. So 7 points total for today. Didn't get into any trouble. It was good. We saved our grunts for the next battles tomorrow. That's what we do here at eminipicks.com. If you like more information, eminipicks.com. Take a look at our website. We just recently revamped it. Everything's all new. We're getting a lot of the new videos out there, and we're starting to show our performance. And there's a free trial. All these indicators that we do get here, volume breakdown, these signal indicators to go shorter, to go long. There's a free 3-day trial, which what we planning on doing is sending it via text to people. They're not really for you to trade, but they're just to let you see what we do, and so you know what we're talking about. It's actually happening in real time, and you can see the actual setups, and you know that it's for real. eminipicks.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow.